Hi everyone, this is Rachel from XINSANXING Lighting Company. Now I will show you some amazing and beautiful lights. These are the matching woven lamp, this the table lamp, and this the floor lamp. They are like a pair of brothers, a lovely younger brother and an elegant older brother. Let's take a closer look. They are all made of pier rattan, imitating the color of natural materials. Next, let's look at the next pair of guests. They look like a pair of sisters. Apart from the color, there is a small detail. Let's have a look. Can you see it clearly? There are tiny lines on each rattan, and it is precisely because of these lines that its texture is closer to that of natural rattan. The slightly rough feel makes us feel like we are touching the rattan and trees in nature, and the immersive feeling arises spontaneously. Let's take a look at our final guest. The combination of brothers of height and short makes them very cute. Come and I will show you something more about this lamp. When you touch them, it is like high-grade and flexible paper, which makes people relax. Well, after introducing those lamps, there's one more. Come and look. The well-made large diameter thick protective wire with one plug is matched with a switch that has protective cover, so that wire is not easy to be beaten, and it also prevents the switch from being accidentally touched. Let's see what they look like with the lights on.